Hi, welcome to another video. My name is Suresh Kankanwadi. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ ಮೆಷಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೂಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ನ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಟೂಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ವಿತ್ ದ stock of 0.3 and you can able to see here also the bottom. You can able to see here the 0.3 stock. And I have generated the toolpath. This is my roughing toolpath. Once I have generated the roughing toolpath, you can see the complete machining is done. And next, my finishing toolpath is with the stock of 0 because of I have created the toolpath, the stock of the 0. Tolerance is 0.01 and the stock is 0. And also you can able to see here the 0. Okay, this is the complete area is going to machine with the 0 stock. Okay, after this, created the toolpath with the corner machining with the smaller diameter 4, before is the 6, and you can see this also having a 0 stock. But after creation of the toolpath, I want to minus my thickness in the toolpath. Like I can go here, I can see in the setting, I want to use this minus thickness and I can generate with the Sparkgap toolpath. But every time is very difficult to enter the value because of the manual and need to enter and need to calculate. How to automated this one? Okay, I have the special micros called as Spark editing, or the thickness editing. Once I will click this thickness editing, okay, it is asking with the new Sparkgap. Okay, I will enter. Suppose I want to use minus 0.1 Sparkgap. Enter the minus 0.1 value, then click next. Okay, it is going to uncalculate all the toolpath automatically, and it is asking, do you want to calculate all the toolpath? Yes. Once I'll click, you can see my toolpath is calculating one by one. Okay, before this first toolpath is 0.3 stock, and now it is calculated all the toolpath with the minus 1 Sparkgap. Okay, now before toolpath is minus 0.3, now we can see it is NA 0.4, and now it is now taken the 0.1 Sparkgap because of it is in a plus. Now it is taken the plus 0.1. Before it is in a 0 thickness, now it is calculated as a 0.1. The same thing, you want to give the additional stock. This is the 0.1 is taken because of I have used the minus 0.1 in the micros. Okay, suppose I want to use this is as a instead of plus 1, I want to use the minus 1. So every toolpath I need to enter and need to calculate. Okay, this is taking the long time. Okay, now I want to avoid this, then I will use the again here instead of minus 0.1, I will use here now only 0.2. Okay, now I will use the 0.2, then I will enter it. Now you can see all the toolpaths are uncalculated, and now it is going to calculating my toolpaths. Okay, very simple method. It is calculated the toolpath, and now you can see the first toolpath is now it is in a minus 0.2. First toolpath is with the before is 0.3 stock. Now it is only the 0.1 stock, and this one is now it is came into the minus 0.2. Now you can observe it is taken the minus 2 overall. All the side is considering minus 2 Sparkgap and in the thickness. It is calculated the same thing, and it is calculated again using this also having a minus 0.2. Okay, like this very quickly you can able to change your the thickness or plus or minus, and you can able to generate. Now I want to remove, I want to use the 0 thickness. Now I'll go here and just simply enter here the 0, and you can calculate it. Now you can see it is going to calculate it with the 0 as it is the normal toolpath what the starting I have shown, and it is calculated. Now the first toolpath is with the stock of the 0.3. You can able to see here. Now you can 0.3, and this is 0 stock. There is no stock here, and also you can go to setting and you can check. Like using the many micros options, I have the many micros. You want any of these specific Sparkgap micros, kindly contact me. Maybe I will pass on these micros to you. You can utilize for your day-to-day activities. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. You'll get the newest video. Thank you very much.